A very happy Mother's Day! Today I am back with another interesting Mother's Day craft. So what do we do today? Let us do something which our mothers can use it every day, and that is a earring holder. Let's quickly have a look at it. We just need 4 materials to make this craft, and they are acrylic colors, ice cream sticks, paintbrush and a Fevicol. First, let's take some ice cream sticks and then paint them. Here is a suggestion. So if the ice cream sticks are not getting stick together with the Fevicol, you can use a hot glue gun. But be careful while using it. I recommend to use it under your parents' guidance. Ready to present to your mom. This is a simple and quick craft if you have all the materials required. Give it a try yourself and let us know in the comment section below. And don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. Bye bye.